Alright people, if you have a Cascadia between the age of or year of 2017 and 2020 or above, there is an air filter behind this gray cover right here. Most people don't even know it's there, and I'm going to show you where it's located, and I'm going to include some still photography photos of what this filter looks like right now. So what you do is you grab a hold right here. It says pull right here. You pull right here, and it's located right there in that box. It's for the squirrel cage or for the blower motor. That is where it's located at. Alright, and if you ever need to get into some fuses, that is where the fuse box is.